In today's video, we are going to dive deep into a hot topic. Is dropshipping worth it in 2024? You've likely seen countless videos and ads promising quick riches with dropshipping, but is it really that simple? In this video, we're going to uncover the truth about dropshipping in 2024. We'll talk about the challenges you'll face, the strategies you need, and whether it's a viable business model for you. Stay tuned to the end of the video. You're not going to want to miss any of the information that we have for you today. Let's get started. Your success in dropshipping in 2024 depends on your approach and strategy. The landscape has evolved, and while the basics remain the same, the way you execute your business makes all the difference. For those who aren't familiar with the term dropshipping, it involves acting as the intermediary between the supplier and the customer. When a customer places an order, you purchase the product from a third-party supplier who then ships it directly to the customer. This means that you don't handle the physical product, which reduces upfront costs. Many online portrayals of dropshipping suggest that it's a quick way to get rich, but the reality is far from that. While there are low barriers to entry, meaning that you don't have to have a huge initial investment to start, the business still does require significant time, energy, and persistence to exceed, especially in this very competitive environment in 2024. Statistics show that a significant percentage of new dropshippers fail, and this often happens because they underestimate the complexity of the business. It's not just about setting up a store and waiting for sales to roll in. It involves constant learning, marketing, optimization, order fulfillment, and much more. Success in dropshipping often comes from focusing on niche-specific stores rather than general stores. Specializing in a specific niche allows you to target an audience more effectively. This reduces competition and increases your chances of success. For example, instead of a generic photography store, maybe you want to specialize in something like high-end drones. And something that you're going to want to do is to use tools like Google Shopping to analyze your competitors. A key here is to look for niches where the most popular products are listed in 10 or fewer stores. This indicates a less saturated market and a higher potential for success. Also, consider factors like demand trends and the average selling price to ensure profitability. While ad costs have risen, the tools available today allow for precise targeting and tracking, which can make your ads more effective. Platforms like Facebook, Google, and even TikTok offer sophisticated targeting options that let you reach your ideal customer more efficiently. Another tip is to begin with a small ad budget between $10 to $30 per day. Track performance closely and scale up effective ads to maximize your return on ad spend. And the golden goal here is to achieve a 10x return on ad spend. This means that every dollar you spend on ads, you generate $10 in revenue. This can be achieved by constantly refining your ad strategies based on performance data. And you don't need to always spend a lot on ads. You can leverage free traffic sources, such as Google's free product listings, which can drive highly qualified traffic to your store at no cost. Other free traffic sources include SEO, social media marketing, and content marketing. Also, you should look to take advantage of Google's offer of up to $500 of free ad credit. This will help you get started without a significant upfront investment. And you're going to want to use this credit wisely to test different ad strategies. This will help you identify what works best for your store. Dropshipping has a bad reputation due to some sellers selling low quality products from places like AliExpress. Now, to stand out here, it's very simple. Just work with reputable suppliers and become an authorized retailer for their products. This not only improves your business's legitimacy, but also ensures higher quality and customer satisfaction. Focus on providing high quality products and excellent customer service to build a reputable and sustainable business. This involves selecting reliable suppliers, ensuring timely delivery, and handling customers' queries and complaints efficiently. Another tip is to dropship high ticket items. This can be more sustainable because these niches often have less competition from bigger players like Amazon. Higher ticket items typically have higher profit margins, which can help offset the cost of advertising and customer acquisition. Okay, to summarize, when you're just starting out, here are a couple things to keep in mind when you're optimizing and picking the best product to dropship. Number 1 is high demand. You want to make sure that people are going to buy this product. 2 is high profit margin. 3 is high ticket item. 4 is low cost to ship. 5 is low competition from other stores like we talked about. And 6 is a good quality product from a reputable supplier. Lastly, what you want to think about is your USP, or unique selling proposition. How are you going to differentiate yourself from competitors in your market that might be selling a similar or identical product? Now, obviously, you're not going to be able to optimize for all of these different categories. For example, if you have a high ticket item, it might cost a little bit more to ship, and you might have some competition for selling this item. That's why you really want to create a brand with your unique selling point. But the moral of the story here is optimize for as many of these as you possibly can. Stay adaptable adaptable and continuously refine your strategies to maintain long-term viability in the dropshipping business. You want to keep an eye out on market trends, customer preferences, and emerging technologies that can impact your business. One of the benefits of dropshipping is the potential flexibility of the lifestyle. It allows you really to work on your own terms and balance your business time with your personal time. And this is one of the main attractions of the dropshipping model. You can really do this job from anywhere, and this makes you pretty nomadic. So if it's important to you that you want to be able to work anywhere in the world and travel around, then this might be the industry for you. Another important thing to keep in mind is to keep your operation lean and focus on what really matters. Automate processes where possible, outsource tasks that aren't your core strength, and prioritize activities that directly contribute to your business's growth. One thing that we also didn't talk about yet is what platform to use for dropshipping. And there really are so many options out there today. If your website, for example, is already created on WordPress, then WooCommerce is going to be a great option for you. There are also other websites like Wix and Squarespace that you can check out too. But the resounding best in business for both beginners and advanced users alike is Shopify. So if you're just getting started out, Shopify is going to be a great option for you. Shopify has been used by some of the most successful e-commerce brands like Gymshark and Allbirds. Because of its widespread adoption, comprehensive features and customization, and reliability and merchant support, they have cemented themselves as the industry leader in e-commerce. So because Shopify is the best platform to start your dropshipping business on, today we're going to show you how to set up your account and some of the main features of the platform. And what's great about this is we actually have a special link down below in the description that's going to get you a 3-day free trial, and then the first month is only going to be $1. So for very little money up front, you can get started with your dropshipping store today. Go ahead and click on the link down below in the description, and then we're going to walk through setting up our store here today. Once you're on this page, let's go ahead and enter our email address and then click start for free. Next, it's just going to ask which of these best describes us. Let's just say we're just starting out. And let's say we have an online store and we want to sell dropshipping products. And for the sake of this video, we're located in the US. Let's go ahead and click that. And then it's going to ask us to create our Shopify account. So let's sign up with our email, and then let's go ahead and create our password here. And once we're finished with that, go ahead and click create Shopify account. Now it's going to start building our store here, and let's see what it looks like. Okay, great. So now we are on the homepage of the Shopify store here, and you'll see that our trial ends here in 3 days. So this is the homepage. This is where they're going to walk you through their setup guide here, and it's very simple to get started. Basically, they're going to have a step-by-step guide to show you exactly what you need to do to get your business up and running. So let's go ahead and take a look at this setup guide. So the first thing it asks us to do is to find products to sell. Then we have to customize our online store and add our custom domain. Then for the store settings, we're going to set shipping rates, set up our Shopify payments, and then pick our plan. And then after that, we're going to launch our store by placing a test order and removing the store password. Those are all the main steps that you need to do to get started. If we go up to the top here, let's go ahead and look at the plans just to show you what the options are. So that basic plan is $1 per month. That's just for the first month. After that, it's going to go to $29 billed annually. And the basic plan has everything that you need for a solo entrepreneur. As you get more advanced with these plans, the credit card rates decrease because you're paying more per month. Depending on what you think you'll need, you can go ahead and choose from these, but for most of you, the basic option is going to be a great starting option. On the left-hand side here, you can see the orders section and the products section here as well. You can add products by just clicking here and importing them. And then it brings up the add products section where you can put the media as well as the description from your product. Then it has pricing here and shipping weight. Also down here, if you go on the left-hand side, you can go to analytics, and once you have some sales in your store, they will all pop up here in all of these different dashboards. Now, we're not going to go into too much more detail here about Shopify. We have plenty of other videos on the channel. So if you have any more questions about how to use the entire platform, we'll leave them down below. We really just wanted to give you an overview of the platform, show you how to sign up, and show you some of the main tabs. Now that we're done with that, let's answer the question, is dropshipping worth it in 2024? And the answer is a resounding absolutely. But only if you're willing to put in the work. This means choosing the right niche and continuing to adapt your business. If you're getting into dropshipping because you think it's a quick way to make money, then you should not do it. But if you stick to the principles that we talked about in the video today, you are going to have a great chance for success for your business. Dropshipping is a business model with significant potential, but like any business, it requires dedication and strategic planning. For more in-depth guides, we'll leave some more resources down below in the description. Also, just note, we do get a small referral fee if you choose to use our link to Shopify, but it really helps out the channel to allow us to keep creating free videos like this for you. This channel is dedicated to helping you start and grow your e-commerce business. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe down below for more videos like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching. We wish you the best on your e-commerce journey, and we will see you in the next video.